Hannah's helping do dishes.
What are you doing? Nope, nope.
She's helping, and there's some water that dripped down.
Nope,
and she's
nope.
putting it on her head.
Nope, nope.
She thinks it's the funniest thing to get her head and her hair all wet.
Nope.
Hannah? What are you doing? Wow, your hair is so wet. Wet hair. Hannah, where's your hair? Huh? Good job. Big girl.
Teensy weensy spider?
Good. Eensy weensy spider went up the water spout. That's a fun one, huh? You see Daddy up there? There's Daddy. Up there.
Okay, time to run the dishwasher.
Huh? Hair? Hannah loves water. Okay. Is that so fun, baby? Wow. I'm glad. Bye-bye. We love you. Good job. Bye-bye.